So,
apparently the hay wasn't
this
enough.
is
Blake.
Blake. You're gonna say hi, Blake. Gonna give a little scratchy on the post.
Welcome, jokesters. We're Joel, Carrie Lynn, Jason, Rocky, the team behind Jokes Travels. Right now, we call Mexico City our home, but the road ahead is wide open.
We've got stories to share, places to show you, and plenty of laughs along the way. From the vibrant colors of Mexico
to our future travels across the United States.
We're bringing you along for it all. This isn't just our journey, it's yours too.
Are y'all ready to travel with us?
Grab your imagination
and maybe a taco or two
and join us on the road.
So we are here at the Rhinory near Austin, Texas, and this is super awesome. This is Gregg. He's the gentleman that has helped us out today. And of course, Joel. And there's the rhino, Blake.
So Gregg, give us a quick rundown on what the Rhinory is all about.
So the Rhinory is all about rhino conservation. And so that's our whole mission in life, is that when the owners came back from South Africa and some rhinos were killed, they started this. We have already donated over $350,000 to help save the rhinos this year. And we both sell, the way we support that is that we sell South African and Texas wines, and 20% of all the wines goes to help save the rhinos.
That's really awesome. That really is amazing, and it's great wine as well. So thumbs up here.
Yeah. So how long's the winery been open?
It's been 3 years. We just had our anniversary.
Okay, and then tell us about the big gentleman in the background over there.
All right, his name is Blake. He weighs over 4,000 pounds. He's a native Texan. Yes, he was born in Glen Rose.
Okay.
In about 2 to 3 years, he's going to put on another 1,000 pounds. At that time, he'll be breeding age. And like I said before, the reason we got him is Craig and Chesney were over there and some rhinos were killed, and it broke their hearts, so they started rhino conservation.
That's fantastic.
Super awesome. Fantastic. Super cool.
So, if you're down in the Johnson City, Fredericksburg area, look for the Rhinory. It's R-H-I.
Well, look at his shirt.
Yeah, there you go.
The Rhinory right there.
Stop in and...
Winos for rhinos.
On Highway 290 and ask for Gregg.
Yes.
All right, appreciate it, Gregg. Thank you very much. So,
apparently the hay
this is Blake. You're gonna say hi, Blake. Gonna give a little scratchy on the post. I don't know, but I really wonder if they respond to a name, kind of like a dog or something.
I would think so, right?
Yeah. Well, that's a lot of animal right there. So, we are now at the Hye Winery between Johnson City and Fredericksburg, Texas. I believe we're about 12 miles south of Johnson City. So, as you can see, they have their normal tasting room area here. We came here, I believe it was about 4 years ago with the entire family, and we had enjoyed a tasting here. And then this side here is the members lounge area.
It's cool, but I was like...
All the vineyards out there. There's some kites there. People are flying, look like little birds.
I don't know for how long, but yes.
So there's Candace, and there's Carrie Lynn.
I don't know if they migrate far.
I think that tree's not happy.
We are on a time schedule. There is Stephanie, my sister. And if you want, you can buy a barrel. inside. So this is the Hye Vineyard. So this is the members lounge area. Now apparently in the past they've had a fence that was an electric fence that was set around, and the animals, they had a couple of a donkey or a mule that used to wander the area. But now the vet said that they need to keep Ferrari back, way back over there in that area, back over there. So very casual. Giving a comparison between the two, so far, I mean, the Rhinory was just amazing, but this is really cool. Seems a little more casual. For some reason it doesn't, I mean, not as many people, but that's okay. So right now we're waiting for Tim. Here comes the man, right there.
Petite Eduardo.
So they are doing videos for their channel. Do you mind if they?
I don't.
Okay.
If whoever's viewing doesn't like it, my name is Eduardo. It's fantastic. My name is Tim.
Sometimes he goes by
Did you
Tim.
get that?
So Tim, tell us about Hye.
Ooh, what would you like to know? There are so many great things about Hye. So Hye, this is Hye, Texas, H-Y-E. I am not a resident here. I've been here probably about 3 years now.
Okay.
A lot of it has to do with working at Hye Meadows Winery, and I lucked into finding out about this winery. It's very awesome for different reasons than others might think. We are serious wine, so we have a lot of award-winning wines for those wine lovers out there, but we're also fun people. So a lot of it, especially for me, has to do with the staff, how fun we are, how much we care about each other, and how collaborative we are in the community. We do a lot of giving back, we do a lot of fundraisers, we do karaoke's for causes, and so when it comes to things that are important to me, tons of different things, but it's about the atmosphere, the staff that works here, and then it just so happens to help that we have a whole bunch of award-winning wines, thanks to Mike Baytek, our winemaker and owner, known as The Dude.
Fantastic. All right. Hey there.
Hi, we're at 290 Wine Castle.
One more stop on the 290 Wine Trail in Texas. We're between Johnson City and Fredericksburg, heading north.
So here we are. Check out the castle.
I learned that today.
That's cool. What do you know about your winery?
Our winery, our castle's been here 7 years. Our hotel has been here 3 years. But we have wine from France, Italy, Spain. We also have winemakers in those places. We've got wine from the High Plains in Texas, and we also have Californian wines as well. So a nice mix of things, and they're all amazing. And I'm not saying that because I have to.
Nice.
I swear, I'm not under duress.
I swear.
Okay.
Good knowledge.
So, we are going to the dungeon, which is a members-only area at the 290 Wine Castle. Use the rail, unless you're some foolish person like me that's holding a camera in one hand and wine glass in the other, and then I'm gonna, I'm falling.
I hope not, because you'll knock us all down like dominoes.
It will not be pretty, let's put it that
Not
way.
me. Candace is a smart one. This is pretty cool.
I feel like I'm in an episode of the That 70s Show. It says more light, flash may help. Well, we're not doing more light. We want the ambiance.
If you like, that room is also available.
In the back? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
it's kind of a special room. It's kind of a first come, first serve. I don't think we have anything else going on there.
Perfect. Oh, this is fantastic.
It's like at least 30 years.
So this is our little area to sample and have a little snack.
This is
Well, I can turn this thing. I think this is part of the problem.
Oh.
Not heating on.
that
What's
is,
the AC?
it's already cool enough. And you are
Jeff.
Jeff. Thank you.